Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your business profile on Bluevine. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time on this topic at all. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. The first step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard through the website or the mobile app. Next, from the main menu, tap Settings. Under the Business Information section, select Edit Profile. Step 3. Update your business details as needed. This includes your legal business name, your DBA, your business address, phone number, or industry category. Next, if you change your business structure, like from sole proprietorship to LLC, you may need to upload supporting documents. Bluevine typically accepts your EIN confirmation letter, articles of organization, or business license. Next, after editing, tap Save Changes. For major updates, Bluevine may temporarily review the changes before approving. Next, confirm updates by checking your profile page. Ensure that all information matches your official records to avoid issues with payments or verifications. And that's it. Your business profile on Bluevine is now up to date and ready for banking. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.